Welcome, and my name is XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to go into the settings. From here, we're gonna scroll down to storage, which I believe is in About Phone. Yep, there it is. So I'll just tap on the storage right here, and then scroll down a little bit, and you will find your SD card below. And you have the option Format SD card. So tap on it, it will give you a message that doing this will remove all the data from the card. So if there is anything that you would like to keep, maybe some kind of photos, videos, music, anything like that, then back it up beforehand to a computer, another SD card, some kind of storage. Otherwise you lose it permanently. Now assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on a Format SD card. This will instantly begin the process, and this only takes a couple of seconds, so should be right about done. There we go, it's finished. So let's click on the done button, and yeah, we're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.